Okay, so how deeply do you segment based on country? I think you and I actually gonna have different answers because we work with different kind of companies. You go first.
Yeah, so this totally depends on budget and audience size. If I if I have a 5K budget, like sorry, I'm not going to segment much deeper than just like all of US or all of North America. Um and I may even decide to segment by like, hey, here's just East Coast of the US or here's just West Coast cuz you're spending that kind of money, you might as well be really in touch with who it is you're going after. But if you're spending a massive budget, like we've got a client spending multiple six figures a month, when you do that, absolutely break it down by individual city if you want to. That data is gold.
Right. You can, by the way, you can see this data. You won't be able to see it in the dashboard in like your account, but you can see it by checking off that campaign, clicking demographics, and then the drop down, change it from job function to city or region, and then you'll be able to see it there. But I do not, unless you have huge budgets, I do not recommend segmenting by country. I have, when I do, it's only like East Coast, West Coast, North America. I've done on a couple times. Other than that, I mean, I would rather use that, but because you don't want to segment and cut up the budget too much. When I would do, I'd much rather cut up and test new targeting and things like that. So there's a million ways I would cut it before that, even though I don't recommend that. And so if you got unlimited budgets, yes. But in general, I don't see, I wouldn't.